The Winning with Numbers sequence of learning organizes 300 pieces of number knowledge into a straight line. When the teacher enters into each of these 300 planning pages, they see a range of digital resources. They can access the Be the Expert video, and as these are watched over time, they provide ongoing CPD. There is also a Teach Me video that the teacher can play in class, augmenting their own teaching with the teaching points and images provided in the video. Later on, children can access the video again in independent learning, either at school or at home. Whilst the Teach Me video provides the main teaching points for this learning objective, the goal videos break the learning down into smaller, cognitively manageable parts. Each goal video provides short, worked examples for children to follow on screen, stopping to practice each small step. Watching the video again becomes the child's homework. This takes a quality of teaching into the home like never before. And crucially, it provides a marrying up of the teacher's daily face-to-face number session and the child's number homework. Each goal video has its own narrow teaching point, leading straight into a specific set of goal questions. Once children move through the goal questions, there are 3 sets of practice questions, and then 5 sets of retrieval questions. The teacher can use these in class as a low-stakes quiz, but they also provide children with independent cognitive processing of number, which constantly builds their number fluency. For the teacher, both classwork and homework resources are managed instantly with no further time needed. The top-level view of the 300 wins allows the teacher to see that, if implemented in sequence, the child always has the background knowledge needed to succeed. On the planning page, the teacher can use the Remind Me feature to see which earlier wins are being used at that point. This supports the teacher's subject knowledge, but also invites a check or refresh prior to the lesson. If needed, the system offers a personalized intervention lesson to each child. Hello there. This is a reminder about how you navigate through the small piece of teacher classroom-based research that you're undertaking with Winning with Numbers and What Worked Education. You take one of your year groups from school and identify 2 parallel classes. Both of these classes are going to do the pre-intervention assessment and the post-intervention assessment. And the results of these assessments, pre and post, will be entered into the What Worked Education database as shown on the What Worked Education video. And now, only one of those classes will have the intervention. The other class continues absolutely as normal. We don't intervene with that class, but we do intervene with this class. The teacher of the intervention class follows the schedule of teaching that's provided. The schedule of teaching describes which wins to teach, and within each win, which goals to teach. It's important to allocate enough classroom time to keep to this schedule of teaching the goals. However, before we start teaching the goals to the students, it's important to do 3 things. 1. Watch the Be the Expert video for the win where those goals come from. 2. Look at the Remind Me feature for the win that you're about to teach. This shows you the background knowledge the children should already have and can be used to go straight into some supporting teaching to prepare the children for the lesson. And 3. Show the children the Teach Me video, where you can press pause and team teach with the video to prepare them for the goals that are coming. Remember, after you've taught the goals, the children can go onto devices in school or at home and continue to do goal questions independently. When we've taught all of the goals from a particular win, the children can also go on to the practice questions. And again, the children can do this independently at school or at home. We will support you with the onboarding for yourselves and the students. We want to work with you through this entire process, so please do keep in touch with us and make contact with us if you have any questions that need answering. Again, thank you, and please do continue to work with us after the research because we know we can help you to make sure your children are winning with numbers.